ICA, the Indo-American Community Alliance, was born out of the desire to unite Indian Americans from all over the country. The NRIs established the Indo-American Community Alliance with the determination to bring all Indians together without language barrier. America is going to be the platform for this great event. Born in India, the home of culture and tradition, NRIs who are showing their talent in every field in America have formed communities of many languages and live on their own. ICA is uniting everyone with such language barriers, erasing the boundaries. While individual, regional, and ethnic associations exist, there has been no collective forum that brings together the rich tapestry of voices within our community. ICA emerges from this gap, aiming to unite diverse perspectives and create a space for collaboration. For the first time in the world, ICA is going to show the culture and traditions of all languages on one platform without any boundaries. The Indo-American Community Alliance will provide services to Indian Americans across America and stand as one platform for education, medicine, skills, business, legal research, and social issues for all Indian Americans across the United States. The ICA is taking initiative for a new beginning. ICA cordially invites everyone to participate in this great cause.
I am delighted to see you come together today to celebrate the bond between world's two great democracies, India and the United States.